What's happening, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Pancis. If it's your first time tuning in, please be sure to smash the subscribe button. If not, thanks for your continued support. Today we're going to be working on my 2008 Saab 9.5 Copart car that we rebuilt last year, or a year and a half ago now, from an accident, and it is actually going to be relocating its life down to Florida. So I have about a crunch time of about a couple weeks to make sure that this entire car is flawless before the ride down. A couple things that have transpired in the last month. We lost a key and we reprogrammed it with a new twice, so it is working, but there are some flaws, and in today's video we need to diagnose it and figure out what's going on. So for instance, I hit the trunk button and there is no release even on the door. Passenger side, lights are working, brake light's working, but the daytime running light is not working. So there seems to be some sort of electrical flaw, so we're gonna figure this out. So first things first, guys, we're gonna take the seat apart once again. We're gonna get into the twice unit. We're gonna unplug it, replug it, make sure all the ground wires are looking good, and hopefully see if that does anything. If not, then we're gonna bring this back to the Saab guy in Boonton, New Jersey, and see if we can reprogram this once again. The other Saab is here, and now it's gone. That thing's always on the road, guys. All right, so that's what's going on. Hopefully this can be addressed. If not, there's other issues, and I'm not sure how to do it because we can't access the trunk without going through the back seat, and of course driving around without a running light on, a tail light, is also not good. So hopefully we can figure this out. All right, boys, we got a little creative here. Put a little socket here to hold that air duct up out of the way. I went ahead now and just removed everything here, and we're just gonna clean everything out, get a vacuum cleaner, and try to inspect everything, and hopefully this works. Where's the cassette here? This is the twice unit. It looks good, so let's see what happens. So good news and bad news. I put the old twice unit in, and the trunk button's working. Put the old twice unit in and the rear tail light's working. So we either have a bad twice and needs to be replaced, or maybe we have to go reprogram it. So let's put this all back together. I'm gonna do it off camera, but that's a quick update for you. This is like the typical Saab story, guys. Like seriously, you can't make this stuff up. So as you can see, got the seat back together, cleaned up the carpet a little bit, and heading over to the shop. And I'm gonna try to see if we can do like a reprogram or remarry to see if that fixes this situation. And if not, then I'm gonna have to go back to the eBay seller and try to exchange this unit out. Hopefully we can. Anyways, stay tuned. Hopefully we have some good news in this video. All right, guys, so huge content learning curve for you guys. It's gonna cost me more money, but we fixed the problem. So here's the deal. 2007 and 2007 to 2009 uses 127-67180 and or 82. Just so you guys know, they changed it from the factory. When I purchased the new twice unit, which obviously is a T7 unit, it ends in 545, so that is an older model year, and that's why we were having problems with the trunk and with the tail light. So the good news is Mike here at Greco Brothers had a parts card for me to use the proper unit. It's gonna cost me more money, and I don't think I can return that because I bought it off eBay. But now that I popped the trunk with the new twice unit in there, we're working properly. So that is the good news. So huge learning curve. If you guys have to purchase a new twice unit for your car, please note 2007 to 2009 twice units are a different electronic component and part number than the older models. I believe 2006 is even different from 2007. So please, please, please make note. So now I got the new twice in there. I'm gonna put this all back together, and Mike's gonna go ahead and marry the new key to marry the twice to the car so the car starts. Stay tuned. All right, Mike got her started. We have no more warning lights except for our front headlight, which has been ongoing. Yeah. Button works. Yeah, trunk works. No lights. Everything works. So that was the solution. Yeah, there we go. Our lights working. Boom. Got our trunk working. Life is back to being fantastic. Sobtastic. Right. Now we're gonna have a beer. Wanna have a beer? We'll have to go to the liquor store and pick up a new case. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick upload on the 08. There's more content to come on this car, so please be sure to like, share, subscribe. And again, if you're in the area, New York, Jersey metro area, need some Saab guidance, Mike is the guy to see. Thanks, Mike.
You got it.
We'll see you guys next time.